Welcome to the Dixie Pawn Broker Software. Let's explore the features available in this application. Starting with the Master section, you can create and manage ledger groups, individual ledgers, and items. You can also set up a new company, organize them into company groups, add staff, and fix interest rates easily. Next, Transaction section. The software allows you to handle general vouchers, pledging, redemption, principal and interest receipts, tag printing, locker issues, and locker receipts efficiently. Next, Account reports. You can see the daybook, accounts payable, accounts receivable, statements of accounts, ledger, interest accounts, trial balance, balance sheet, overall expenditure, overall transactions, and generate detailed voucher reports. The Reports section menu includes Pledge reports, daily transactions consolidated, redeemed lists, customer activity reports, auction lists, pledger outstanding, ledger for pledger, notices for printing, phone call lists, locker reports, search options, and pledge history. In the Utility section, you can customize grid lines to flat or none. Choose between DOS print and Windows print. Navigate account trees or item trees. Delete records, split entries, and manage backups with disk options including CD writers and zip drives. You can also restore backups, access item lists, ledger lists, transfer ledger groups, and use the built-in calculator. Finally, in the Shut section, you can either log off or exit the application safely.